Well, it's time to sharpen the blades on our John Deere Z540R zero-turn mower. Now that we have a lift, it makes it much easier to get underneath the deck to remove the blades. Our 54-inch deck has 3 blades, and once the mower is up in the air, we can get under the deck and remove the blades and take them to my dad, who does a wonderful job of sharpening them. Here, my dad uses his organ blade sharpener to put a nice, clean, sharp edge on the blades so our mower unit can cut the grass more efficiently. Where we are at in the Midwest, we usually try to sharpen the blades every 25 hours of grass cutting time, which for us ends up being about once a season. A sharp blade not only cuts blades clean so grass plants recover quickly, it helps reduce your lawn mowing time as well. Simply stated, the sharper the edge, the better quality of cut and less damage that you're causing to your turf every time you mow the yard. Now it's time to reinstall our freshly tuned mower blades back on the deck. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our John Deere Z540R. Thanks for watching.